August, my birth month. Another year has been added, another blessing to be thankful for. Isang taon na naman ng pasasalamat, pagmamahal at mga alaala. This year, I celebrated life with the people who stayed, friends who chose to be part of my journey, and even new ones who came along. Kahit may mga taong wala na sa picture, natutunan kong tanggapin na hindi lahat ng kaibigan ay para manatili. Pero yung mga naiwan, sila yung tunay na treasure na dapat ipagpasalamat.
A birthday is not just about the candles or the cake, kundi isang paalala na bawat taon ay pagkakataon para maging mas matatag, mas mapagmahal at mas handa sa bukas. So as August ends, I carry with me the lessons, the joy, and the friendship that continue to grow. Salamat sa lahat ng nakisama at nagbigay kulay sa espesyal na araw ko. Here's to life, friendship, and journey ahead.
Dito sa kukunan. Siya, ikaw na. Asa yung bulak-bulak? Yung bulak-bulak! Bulak-bulak! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vincent. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dito. Atashi, ありがとうございます。Atashi!
Pichi-pichi ano? Yes, I love you! Karin,
오늘이 거야 rock'n'roll 어려지만 너 맛이 오늘이 거야 예예예 신세대라자 얼마이시 도깨나한테 미나이래 신데렐라자 얼마이시 도깨나한테 미나이래 미나이래 아니 수리야 오늘이 거야 rock'n'roll 피난다요 와카티로사 예예예 예예예 신데렐라자 얼마이시 도깨나한테 미나이래 신데렐라자 얼마이시 도깨나한테 미나이래
As I close this special chapter of August, my heart is full with gratitude, lessons, and love from people who matter most. Life is beautiful, even in its changes, and I'm thankful to have captured pieces of it here with all of you. If this video made you smile, reflect, or feel a little more connected, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, Japan Diaries with Hazel. I share stories not just about Japan but about life, friendship, and finding joy in little things. Thanks for being part of my journey and I hope you stick around for the next chapter. Hanggang sa susunod nating kwentuhan, ingat kayo lagi and God bless everyone. Thank you all for watching.
Thank you all. Grabe na yan. Isang bang birthday. Thank you, girl. I love you. Ay, may palit pa, oh. Next! Mga dito. Te, takashi sa watashi ni. Otanjoubi no uiwai su koto.
Happy birthday.